In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Mount St. Joseph Prep won and decided to send Mineral Heights Primary first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Mineral Heights Primary. We start with Bible knowledge. Which king of Israel was the son of Kish?
Saul.
Correct. Mount St. Joseph. Which king of Israel was the son of Jesse?
David.
That's right. Jamaican affairs, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person. This is for Mineral Heights Primary. Mount St. Joseph, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Andrew Swaby, the mayor of Kingston. Mount St. Joseph, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Steve Williams.
Incorrect, it's Tom Tavares Finson, the president of the Senate. Science, Mineral Heights. In which part of the human body is urine stored before it is excreted?
The urine bladder.
Urine bladder.
Please repeat.
The
Urine bladder.
Judges? Okay, we move on to Mount St. Joseph for their science question. Does urine flow from the kidney to the bladder or from the bladder to the kidney?
From the kidney to the bladder.
That is correct. Television is a visual. This is for Mineral Heights Primary. Look at the monitor and identify this character from the animated movie Migration. This is for Mineral Heights. Mount St. Joseph, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Gwen Mallard. Mount St. Joseph, look at the monitor and identify this character from the animated movie Migration.
Paris.
Incorrect. The correct response is Delroy. English language, Mineral Heights. Identify the tense used in the sentence. The boy is riding his bike.
Present continuous tense.
That is correct. Mount St. Joseph, identify the tense used in the sentence. John will go to school tomorrow.
Future tense.
Correct. Sports, it's a visual. This is for Mineral Heights. Look at the monitor and identify the person.
Brown.
Incorrect. The answer is Sharika Jackson, Jamaican athlete. Mount St. Joseph, look at the monitor and identify this person.
Shelley-Ann Fraser-Price.
That is correct. General knowledge, Mineral Heights. Nelson Mandela was a former president of which country? Mount St. Joseph, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. South Africa.
Correct. Staying with Mount St. Joseph, Fidel Castro was a former president of which country?
Cuba.
Correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Mineral Heights Primary on 2 and Mount St. Joseph Prep on 6. Stay with us. Season 21 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.